I'm getting a workout there. Like most of this stuff, you can't really tell how much work I'm doing. Okay, that's a half a thou came off. This whole thing's getting really hot. Oh yeah, she's warm. She's got half a thou more to go. Now it's expanded a lot, so it's probably expanded a half a thou. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, cool it off, and see how it fits in the bike. Way back. Alright. So after lots of boring and honing, I got two small races. So that one's a half under right there. And there's the other spot at. That one's right at 0 right there. It's half under again right there. Back up to 0, so it's half to 1, or half to 0. This one here is slightly smaller, about 3/4 thou under. There's 1 thou under right there. This is the left side one. I like it being a little loose anyway. Half a thou. So this one's a little bit smaller than the other one, which is fine. Always like more clearance on the left side anyway. So it's good. So now when you put this thing all together, the crank's got lots of clearance in the bearings now. So the right side I think is the long one. It goes right in the hole. It's got clearance in it. It just slides in now nice and easy. So you can see the clearance in there, but it's got clearance now. Just like you want. This one will be a little bit narrower and a little bit looser. We'll have more clearance in it. Even though it has the same basic number, it'll feel a lot looser. So this one over here, you can see how it moves around more, see? There's also a washer back on there, so this one has a lot more clearance in it, see? But that's alright, that's the drive side, that's where the load is. You want that to be more clearance on that side anyway. So now I got some room for crank flex and spin, and we'll take a lot of drag out of the motor. This thing will spin up over 6,000 real nice now, before it gets kind of tight up in the RPMs because they're tight. Now this thing should be able to turn at 7,000 without a problem if it's got any motor in it. I don't know what kind of cam he's running, heads and all that other stuff. That dictates your power range. So all I know is now these parts will actually fit together like they're supposed to, and that'll be all bound up. So that's how you do it. A lot of expensive tools, a lot of effort. But when you're all done, it's nice and free like it's supposed to be. And that's what you're after. Alright, that's about it for this motor. It's all up to then put together from here. There you go.